Nobody plans on equipment breakdowns happening, so when they do, North Star is the only name you'll need. You can count on our factory-authorized and trained technicians to respond quickly, 24 hours a day. Keeping your heating and air conditioning equipment properly maintained on a regular basis will help keep it running for years to come. We would be glad to lend our knowledge and expertise to your next project, as well as provide a fair quote. Our technicians work on all makes and models, from steam and hot water boilers to conventional forced air systems. As a leading installer of Unico and Space Park air conditioning, we specialize in systems ideal for smaller condos and vintage homes. Ask about our Star Customer Program and how you too can benefit from being a Star customer. Check out our reviews with Angie's List, the BBB, and the Chamber of Commerce. Customer satisfaction is always a top priority here at North Star.